Hi there, Arjen from Lucas Fox here. Today I'm in the amazing beachfront development of The Edge in Estepona. I'm in one of the penthouses now. There's only a couple penthouses and a couple apartments left. Let me show you around and I'll give you more information in the end. So this was a quick tour of The Edge. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. There's a couple of penthouses left, but also some normal apartments and also villas even. But all of them enjoy this amazing frontal sea view. And obviously the penthouses come with these ridiculously large terraces. If you want to know more about the prices and the specs, just go to our website www.lucasfolks.com or just click the link in the description. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.